Okay, so some years ago I bought a Worx cordless 20 volt chainsaw, 10-inch bar, which actually came off of this saw here. This is a Worx WG322.9 machine, and it worked really good for a very long time. But then I realized that that 10-inch bar, I can only cut so much with it. Let's see, set this back here. You can see the difference in the bar lengths there. That extra 4 inches really adds quite a bit to it. So after having it for about a year or so, I thought, well, let me see if I can get the the next one up that they had, which this 14-inch saw blade actually comes on the 40 volt Worx machine that they have, which is the WG384.9. And that worked well for a very long time. And after I was using this blade for a while, I thought, well, I've got it worn out, or it's getting worn out. So I thought, okay, let me get a replacement for it. And I thought, well, hold on. I know Oregon makes an 18-inch bar and chain combo kit with the same size chain, which you can see it's the same size chain here. Let me get a better shot. Here we go. See, the pitch is the same, and so I thought, well, okay, let me go ahead and get that working, so that I can get even more reach on it. And I'll tell you what, that 18 inches really makes a difference over the 14-inch bar, kind of like it did over the 10. So the only issue I see with these saws, I've been using Worx tools for a very long time. The string trimmers, the leaf blowers, the hedge trimmers, and lots more. The original 10-inch saw comes with a single 20 volt max 2 amp hour battery, and it can cut for about 5 or 10 minutes pretty aggressively through most things. The 40 volt, what I liked about that when I bought it, is that it came with 2 batteries and 2 20 volt batteries, and that works pretty well. That doubles the time from maybe about 10 minutes to almost 20 minutes worth of aggressive cutting time. So lots of value for the money there. And I'm going to show some other slides here that show what you need to change and put in when you put the Oregon blade into these machines. There's another part that belongs right in the slot here that you need to transfer from the Worx blade bar assembly to the Oregon assembly, but it's pretty simple, and it works very, very well. Okay, well, I've had good luck with these Worx cordless saws. They're really good. One other tip are these are the 2 amp hour batteries. You can get the 4 amp hour batteries, and they work much better. As I say, they work much longer. Okay, all right, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe can upgrade your Worx chainsaw. Probably not endorsed by the manufacturer, but as a regular homeowner, I found that it works very well, and I really don't have to use my larger chainsaw, my gas saw, like I had to in the past. So, okay, thanks for watching. Bye.